recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here.
Dito na kami sa Wall Drug, dito sa Wall, South Dakota. Unfortunately, it's raining, so lipat kami ng parking para malapit kami sa mismong Wall Drug Store. Ayan. Since 1931. Ayan. Dapat pili tayo ng malaking payong. Nilagyan natin dito sa sasakyan na din. Sana meron yung parang sa Pilipinas na pag igaganon mo siya yung pataas yung... Meron ba? Search nga ako ng ganun para ilagay natin dito sa sasakyan.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away?
Curious ang Mishi. Curious ang Mishi. Malaki din. Uy! Nag-burp kaya siguro ito umiiyak. Very happy. Tangat-tangat ni Mishi. Very curious. Sabi niya siguro, what's this place? Ang sarap ng food namin. Chicken. Tapos si Daddy, burger with fries. Si Lala, chicken strips. Ang baba ng upuan. Dapat dito si Daddy. Dapat, nainig ka naman na. Ang galing-galing mo talaga. Tinatanggal mo yung mittens mo. Inibigay na sa'yo. Wala na, ayaw ko na. Sinong bata ang tumain ng napakadami. Tapos, yung matandang sumusunod sa atin, nagsisimangot. Hindi makaantay sa diaper changing area. Akala mo naman may diaper siya. Nakadepend siguro. Tapos, sino ang walang damit sa diaper bag? Siyempre si Mishi. Kaya si Daddy. Anong sabi ni Daddy? Nagmimiso na si Daddy. Pinukawan pa. Kahit anong...
Okay, pasok lo Ningning.
Yes! Yay! serving nila. Ate, ketchup ni mama.
Ketchup.
Sauce, antok na naman. Antok na naman. Uy! Puzzle, Daddy, oh! Bili tayo! Mount Rushmore. Na? My gosh. Tulog na. Ano yan? Dad will always be your... I will always be your... Dad, I will always be your little girl. Ah, hindi pala financial burden pa. Keychain mo. Maya. Mia. Ay. Mia. Ay, parang yung Annabelle. Annabelle. Uy, ang scary. Ah, yung pharmacy nila.
This smoke don't get me high. I've given up all my friends and all my time. A pretty face never mattered to me. It's nothing like I wanna see in my dreams. So I'ma hit the lights and go to sleep. Yeah, yeah. So sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. But why's don't change? Most nights just fade away, and I'm so sick and tired of this basement. Introverted, keeping these thoughts to myself, but I'm not hurting. I'm keeping my feelings on the shelf. Every time I go outside, anxiety makes me blind. Can't keep hiding. I don't know why, I just can't find myself. Sick and tired of this place I'm in. Too many hours in this basement. These paper walls don't change. Most nights just fade away, and I'm so sick and tired of this basement.
Finally guys, nandito na po kami sa Black Hills, overlooking ang Mount Rushmore. Nandun lang siya. Mag-check-in muna kami. Time is already 7:51 PM. Hindi ko alam si Mishi tulog na, pero baka check-in lang kami and then pupunta kami Mount Rushmore kasi may fireworks sila tonight. So we will see the fireworks na doon. Bukas ulit yung papasyalan namin siya talaga na okay, yung para mas madaming experience.
We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. We're drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our hearts. Felt like we.
So where do you wanna go? Third, probably. The highest. Ay, ang cozy-cozy naman ng banining namin. Press 3. Ano, yung second level pa lang. Daddy, for Mount Rushmore, press 3. Para naman hindi na siya happy. Sabi niya siguro, bakit pa kami nandito? Tired, sleepy. Yawning. Yawning na, Daddy.
Okay lang yan.
Pretty. Hi, Nanny. Smile.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me.
Bulaga! Walang pakialam kahit umuulan na. Happy birthday! Very happy niya. Hi! Hi! What? Taboo!
It's hard to get over. You chose someone else, a new best friend. To